How to get your money off Metatrader 4. Learning the Forex market with real money is a dangerous proposition. When you first start out, you are guaranteed to make some poor decisions that could cause you to lose your entire investment. Purchasing automated Forex trading software does not just give you an extra tool to help maximize profits. It gives you a useful tool for practicing your Forex trades. These programs allow you to set up a dummy account which can be filled with virtual money. The automated Forex trading software will simulate the trades that it would make with real money and be able to give you the results of these trades. When you are first starting out, this type of tool can be invaluable to help you gain experience without the fear of losing significant sums of money. Automated Forex trading software is available both as software you install on your computer and as a service which is available over the internet. The internet model has several advantages. You are no longer the one responsible for keep the software up to date, and you can keep tabs on the software from anywhere with an internet connection. Trained professionals keep the software on the internet server more secure than most home users are able to. Internet-based trading systems are limited by the speed of your connection. If you're still stuck on dial-up, a desktop-based system may work better for you. It may take some time to find the proper automated Forex trading software. Don't expect the first thing you try to be perfect. However, with some time and effort, you can find the software which will allow you to start earning significant returns on your investments. It may not make you rich overnight, but the Forex market can give higher returns than most investments. Automated Forex trading software makes getting these returns easier than ever before.